Oh my God! Wow!
People in the run come here. The whole on the draw seat. Wanna come draw seat. One nation. Blanca nation. Speak me mind. Life is a mission. On the draw seat. This is so easy. Me discover what kind of teeth Marcia have in her head. So when the people them a say a false teeth Marcia have in, and them a say the gum no real because the teeth them too close, and them sit there and she a say, and a false teeth Marcia look like she have in for chewing up people. Jesus please. Me see sitting on social media, and when me look at the identical look of Marcia teeth, how them white and look, and then they look chalky, so them no look real for chew. Like them no look, chalk. Well, you have chalk teeth, but them look too chalky. Them coming like chalky. You understand? And the glassy teeth, them what we know, and the gum where the people them discover over Portland side there, and say boy the teeth them too close up. Me discover something on social media. But you see, before me show you what me discover, you know, like, share and subscribe. You know what they do. It is so easy. And remember, continue to support the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. And when you hit the video, you hit the thumbs up same time. Call them your video, you don't need to hit the thumbs up same time because I don't want to laugh and forget. And please remember to watch the ads and continue to support my channel. Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Give her a subscription. And remember, the cash app down there, $ Charms and Trent. Using that cash app temporarily. My cash app Life is a Mission is down with technical glitches. And remember, please to go over Charms and Trends and give them a support. Give them a strength. If it's even a little bracelet, buy it. We no matter how much you spend. If I have a $10, $20, just buy and support. That's Charmed _and_trends. You can find the business page on Instagram. Drop in at the DM for further information and anything you see on the page, you can get it customized to your liking. Anything where you want on it. And remember, the website Charmed and Trends.shop. You don't need no underscore. And remember, the Charm spell CHARMED, Charmed, and AND Trends TRENDS. Because you know you have to type in the right thing to get where you want on social media. So people, want to do? Because I now come back, you know. I don't want me come back after me show you where I go on. Alright. Let me see 20 somebody put up on and say want to do by saying so easy. Alright. Monta and Missy go up on the well once see a west. Man see having her mouth. Because remember from one day the people my investigate her false teeth she have been and she has said no, she not have been a false teeth and a one teeth she lose and a one wisdom teeth only so from how much years ago. You understand? And she got to implant. Who may ever hear lose wisdom teeth and do implant? Remember, wisdom teeth are not something necessary in your mouth, you know. Because she will go a dentist and always go to professional places. Them supposed to tell her say wisdom teeth not needed in your mouth. Because wisdom teeth don't do no job in your mouth. And if you check 90% of us, when we were going to school, them remove our wisdom teeth. Most of us who used to get that free denture at school, normally the dentist them always remove the wisdom teeth them. 90 to 80% of us who used to go to school and dentists used to get free dentists. So, I don't know what kind of implant she have to have. Oh, I'm going to implant back because I want my teeth them. Where? And them the way you have been fast if you go implant. People, you know what you are going.
Told, I have no teeth. I have full dentures. And this is the product that I use to keep them in. We're going to apply it today, and it's going to last for up to 6 weeks. I've had dentures since I was 28 years old. I started with the tops, got the bottoms 5 years later, And now I'm 33 and I have full dentures, and I am so thankful that I went through with the process. My top denture just suctions. I put it in, it stays in, no glue, no problem, and then I'm going to use Denture for my bottom denture to remold it to my gum to give it that snug fit. After that, I don't have to use anything, just the Denture. Start with your clean, dry denture. You're going to want to soak your Denture in hot water for 5 minutes and then take it out. Make sure your denture's very, very dry, your hands are dry. Like I said, I only have to use it on my bottom denture. So we've had our Denture sitting in hot water. We're going to dry this off because we don't want any of it getting on our denture. No water. This is going to look like that stuff that you used to blow through a straw when you were a kid. You know what I'm talking about. We're gonna get about quarter size amount. I like to use a lot. I'd rather use too much than not enough, but if you don't use enough, you can always add more after it's cured. Take your quarter size amount, give it a couple stretches. I've heard some people say that this sticks to your fingers or your hands. I don't have that problem. It don't stick to my hands at all. I don't know if there's something like how they're storing it or what, I'm not sure, but I have no problems. You want to rub it, roll it into a gummy worm. This is super simple and super quick to apply. So get your denture, roll, place the gummy worm inside the denture. Start at one end, put it right where your gums go, and go to the other end. Don't drop them. I've been doing this for years and I still mess up, so it's okay. Anyways, you want to push the Denture in the gum line. And then you're going to want to let it sit for about 5 minutes. Make sure it's up on the edges and where it needs to be. It's been about 5 minutes. I do want to add that you do not brush your gums before you do this. You don't want it to stick to your gums. This is meant to stick to your denture only. It's pretty much a soft reline that you do at home. It's way better than the dentist. Don't tell them I told you that. Anyways, put it in your mouth and give a firm bite. It's going to ooze out the bottom, out the sides. And that's fine because it's molding the denture to your gum for the perfect fit. So give a good firm bite. It's going to burn a little bit. It's the alcohol, kind of like when you're rinsing your mouth with mouthwash. You're going to want these in your mouth for 2 hours, and then you're going to take them out and you're going to trim whatever pushes out from underneath of your denture. It'll come up right here, and you can trim it off with like cuticle scissors or something. And then after that, leave them in your mouth for 24 hours. Don't take them out, don't let them dry out, don't soak them in water. Leave them in your mouth for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you can soak them, brush them, whatever you want to do, however you normally take care of your dentures, you can do that. Just don't leave them out of water or your mouth because the stuff will dry up. I hope this helps, and if you want to get Denture, you don't know where to buy it, check out my storefront and my link tree in my bio. I have full dentures.
God, oh God, I feel it to my heart.
Some people want to think, because me I hear this argument from what they are going on, from over Portland side. And now me see why the people them have reasonable reason for say a fast teeth you have in. Because the teeth them not have no space where the gum is concerned. And the gum area where them say them a look pan no look like gum. You understand? It look like the fake something. So when me see this video, me started to wonder if this she have in. So wanna tell me what she have in them, I don't know. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. So just big up on yourself. Do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch the ads. I did want to incorporate this in a video that I'm going to do for you in the evening. But because I don't know if this video is going to be, this thing that I'm showing you would be copyright or whatsoever, I don't put it on the video. You understand? So I just do it separately. So now stay tuned. Bless upon yourself. She rushed me in one video, so now I'll get that in the evening. Said come like I'm gonna get 3 videos for one day today. Because this is on a lunchtime video, you know. I remember I want to get the breakfast one already. So at 3 meals a day, them say we fi eat. So me always I give 1 or 2. No, I will get 3. So stay tuned. Do the do. I'm out.